So this is a brief introduction to the Zenit 3M, which was produced in about 1962, one of the earliest iterations of the Zenit camera, and one that many people bought as their first proper SLR. I had a Zenit B when I was a teenager. It's a very clunky camera, but pretty reliable. So that's the film advance. The shutter speeds are set with this dial, just lift and turn. There are only 6 shutter speeds, including B bulb. The flash sync can be set between flash bulb or electronic flash there, and it's synced at only the slower speed, 30th. It's a M39 screw thread lens, not the same as the standard M39 Leica thread. It's a longer distance between the film and the end of the lens, and as you can see from this, the mirror is dropped when you advance the film, and then when you take the shutter it stays up, so it's not a return mirror, not an auto return mirror. The self timer is set via this lever, and then there's a separate trigger action there which will initially raise the mirror and then we'll fire the shutter, and presumably the mirror came up first to avoid the camera vibrating when the mirror was raised. So yeah, historic camera made in the USSR, as it says, and was the forerunner of many different Zenit models, although they all looked and behaved very much the same.